There's something that you must know. There's something that you must know. I've been waiting on you. Come on in and stay for a while. I need to talk to you, baby, and say what's on my mind. Oh, I'm gonna tell it, you're gonna listen to me. There's something in my soul ain't right. I can't sleep at night, wondering when that change gonna come. I'm feeling like I'm not the only one. Tell me when I turn you off. The doctor say it's not my fault, and all the neighbors stop and stare. The pastor said to stay in prayer. It will rain. Oh, there'll be pain. Troubles will come. Yes, it will now. Understand. I can't believe the way you talk. Seems you wanna call it off. My friends see you treating me like dirt. What happened to better or for worse? I need answers. Can you help me? Oh, I try. Oh, I can't let go, go, go. I don't ever want to lose my baby, 'cause this pain just drives me crazy. It feels like I'm going insane, but I gotta be strong, 'cause it will rain. And sometimes there will be pain, and sometimes troubles will come. Oh, you gotta understand.